Okay, so now I'm at the site view of our drawing. I've zoomed in here a little bit because we need to place our foundation underneath this column that doesn't have anything to support it. And I think the way I'm going to do that, the easy way, is to just copy over what we already have existing here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the two foundation walls. So I'm going to hold that and, oops, excuse me, I'm going to select this one, then hold down the control key and select this one. And hopefully I can come in here and I zoom in and I selected the little stub out for that. And you'll notice that the I-beam looks a little bit undetailed. That's because my level of detail is not fine, and I'll change that just after I finish moving this. So I'm going to do a move copy function and not just a move function. So I'm going to select the tool, and I can just actually put my mouse anywhere, but if I go right at this intersection, it'll be a little more clear about what I'm doing. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to move this over exactly 20 feet. It's going to line up again. You'll notice it's saying 20 feet. I'll click. We're going to get a warning right away that we have some overlapping walls. I'm going to go up and click out of this so we're now able to modify. So I let that error go away, and I'm going to come back here and grab this wall, and I'm going to just pull it back until it is 3 foot 6 inches long. And 3 foot 6 inches long is an important dimension. Let me just zoom in and kind of help you understand what's going on here. That means it's 3 foot 6 inches to here, but this wall is 12 inches thick, so there's another 6 inches before we get to the corner. Eventually, we're going to put a 4 foot wide piece of brick face on this exterior. So I want to make sure this is 4 feet wide total, and so I need this to be indicated as 3 foot 6 inches. So we have that wall set up going in that direction. And now I'm going to grab this wall, and I'm going to pull this one down until it says exactly the same thing, 3 foot 6 inches. And we can look at this. Actually, I'll take this to high detail and put this on fine detail, and you can see those beams and all the other elements coming in there. And now we go to the 3D view, and you'll notice it even copied over our footer for that. Now, I don't want you to get the idea that this is exactly the way this would be constructed. This column might be finished on both sides with brick going up on the other way. The structural engineer may say that these foundations should be connected to these, so these walls could be extended out. Be a host of things that happen in the design and development phase of this, working with other people. But this is a quick way for us to understand that we absolutely have to indicate that we have something under there to carry that load. So that sets us up for that, and now we'll look at adding some other details to our drawing in the next clip.